we can chat with friends so easily. But we have to stay aware. There are dangers everywhere. Don't share your name, don't share your place. Don't post your photos anyplace. If a stranger talks to you, tell your parents what to do. Be careful where you click today. If it looks strange, just walk away. Keep your password safe with you. Never share it